Looking for a free and reliable way to compress and extract files? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download 7-Zip on Windows. We'll find the official download page, choose the right version, install it, and make sure everything is working correctly. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for the official 7-Zip website. Look for 7zip.org. Make sure you're using the official site, because downloading software from random websites can expose you to modified or unwanted files. Once you're on the website, click the download option. This page lists the available versions for different Windows systems, along with other platforms and formats. For most modern Windows computers, you'll want the 64-bit x64 version. You may also see ARM64 and 32-bit options. If you're not sure which one your computer uses, open Windows Settings, go to System, then About, and check System Type. Now select the download link for the version you need. The installer will download through your browser. Depending on your browser settings, you may find the file in the Downloads folder or in the browser's Download panel. After the download finishes, open the installer. Windows may ask for permission before allowing the setup to run. Choose Yes, and you'll see the 7-Zip installation window. Choose the installation location if you want to change it. Otherwise, the default location is fine for most users. Then click Install and wait a few moments while 7-Zip is installed. Once installation is complete, click Close. Now open the Start menu and search for 7-Zip File Manager. You can also right-click a file or folder to check for the 7-Zip options in the context menu. One quick tip: always keep 7-Zip updated by checking its official website for newer releases. And yeah, avoid unofficial download sites whenever possible. And that's it. You've downloaded and installed 7-Zip safely on Windows. From here, you can use it to create archives, extract zip files, and work with many other compressed formats. Pretty simple, right?